All right, we're back for another part drawing here in Onshape. Today we're going to do the blade holder. Simple sketch again on this. This time I'll do it from the right side here. Extrude it all the way back, and then we'll do a remove in the front and do some holes. So I'm going to do the rough sketch on this side. It's going to be like an S shape here. And then from there, we will get going here. So over here, we'll do a sketch, right plane, NP. I'm just going to draw some lines here first, right? I'm just going to go bippity, boppity, right? No actual measurements yet, just making sure I'm staying horizontal and vertical, right? Closed shape, but completely undefined. And now let's look at the measurements here. We have the full width on the top is over here. We have the width of this tab here going down, right? We have a bunch of measurements here. We're not going to worry about this rectangle here for the cut yet. There's the depth that we're extruding back. And then looking over here in the front, we got all these guys over here with the full height. And we have our width. All right. So jumping back over here, dimension, this guy was marked as 0.625, 5/8. This little mark from here to here is 3/8, 0.375. Looking. This full width from here to here is 1.625. This total height from here to here, whoops, that hit at an angle. Let's try that again. From here to there, yeah, angle because I chose two numbers there, or sides. That one's that. From here to here is 5/8, 0.65. And the last undefined section is here to here at 0.625. All right, so there is our side profile of our object. I can hit that green check mark, Shift 7 just to help us see what we're doing. Extrude, and let's make it symmetric, and the full thing here is 4.25. Enter. Right? Green check mark. Let's look at how we're doing here, right? We did all those and then I extruded back. So the only thing we're missing here is the placement of our two holes, where we have these measurements here and here. Height up right there, 5/8, and then this guy over here. So sketch, we'll do it on this face here. And to normalize our view, we'll do a corner rectangle. There down, and my full width of it is 2.125. And our full height is 1. So there's a rectangle that we'll remove going back. And I'll throw 2 points on. And let's define that now. So from here to there is 1. From here to here is 2.25. We want these guys lined up horizontally. They're in line with each other. And then our height up from the base, it looks like, is from there to there. That's 1 plus 5 divided by 16. Now it's fully defined. There's that. Beautiful. We'll do a extrude remove, and we'll remove that face. We'll change this to just through all. Check mark. There's that. Turned off all our sketch for the holes. Let's turn that back on. Holes here and there. And the diameter is 5/8. 5/8 is this way. There it is. Green check mark. Turn off all our sketch. Shift 7. There's our part. And let's check our volume. 8.083 inches cubed. All right. That's it. Good luck. Have fun.